The Canon EOS R9 has become one of the most intensely discussed rumored cameras in Canon's APS-C lineup, with growing speculation suggesting it could significantly surpass the EOS R7 and redefine expectations for crop sensor performance. While Canon has not confirmed any official details, the Canon EOS R9 is already being treated by many enthusiasts as a potential turning point for APS-C mirrorless systems, especially as demand increases for cameras that can balance speed, resolution, and advanced video features in a compact form factor. A major driver of attention around the Canon EOS R9 is its rumored video capability. One of the most repeated claims is support for 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second without cropping the sensor. If this proves accurate, it would place the Canon EOS R9 firmly in the upper tier of hybrid APS-C cameras, offering smooth slow-motion recording with full image quality and field of view intact. This alone would make it highly attractive for filmmakers, content creators, and action shooters who rely on high frame rates. Some leaks also suggest the possibility of 8K recording, though this is widely expected to be limited or carefully managed due to heat and processing demands. Even with conservative expectations, the Canon EOS R9 is clearly being positioned as a serious hybrid tool rather than a simple photography upgrade. From a build perspective, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to follow Canon's tradition of ergonomic design while introducing refinements aimed at durability and long-term usability. Rumors point to a body constructed using a combination of magnesium alloy and high-strength polycarbonate materials, helping balance toughness with portability. This would allow the Canon EOS R9 to remain relatively lightweight while still being capable of handling professional field conditions. The grip is also expected to be redesigned for improved comfort and stability, especially during extended handheld shooting sessions or when using heavier telephoto lenses. Weather sealing is another anticipated upgrade, potentially bringing the Canon EOS R9 closer to Canon's higher-end models in resistance to dust, moisture, and harsh environments. Usability improvements are also expected to play a key role in the Canon EOS R9 experience. A fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen is widely rumored, giving users greater flexibility for creative angles, self-recording, and vlogging setups. This would make the Canon EOS R9 especially appealing to hybrid creators who switch between stills and video. Alongside this, a high-resolution electronic viewfinder is expected, potentially offering more than 3.6 million dots for a sharp, detailed, and responsive viewing experience. These upgrades would ensure smoother operation across different shooting styles, whether in controlled studio environments or fast-paced outdoor situations. Inside the camera, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to feature a new stacked APS-C sensor, with resolution estimates ranging between 32 and 40 megapixels. The introduction of a stacked sensor would be a major upgrade, not because of resolution alone, but because of its dramatically faster readout speeds. This helps reduce rolling shutter distortion and enables much faster burst shooting performance, making the Canon EOS R9 more effective for fast action photography. It also opens the door to improved dynamic range and stronger low-light performance, allowing the camera to handle both bright and challenging lighting conditions more effectively than previous APS-C models. Paired with Canon's latest digic image processor, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to deliver more refined image processing, including improved color accuracy, smoother tonal transitions, and better highlight preservation. Canon's signature color science is likely to remain a key strength, but with greater processing power supporting faster and more consistent output. This would benefit both photographers and videographers who require dependable image quality straight from the camera with minimal post-processing. Autofocus is another area where the Canon EOS R9 is expected to show significant improvement. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus system has already proven itself in previous models, and the next generation in the Canon EOS R9 is rumored to offer even better subject detection and tracking performance. This could include enhanced recognition of humans, animals, and vehicles, making it suitable for a wide range of shooting scenarios such as wildlife, sports, and event photography. With near full-frame autofocus coverage, users would be able to track subjects anywhere in the frame without worrying about focus point limitations. AI-based predictive tracking is also expected to improve accuracy in fast and unpredictable motion. In-body image stabilization is another rumored enhancement for the Canon EOS R9. Early reports suggest up to 8 stops of stabilization performance, which would significantly improve handheld shooting in low light conditions. When paired with stabilized lenses, this system could allow photographers to shoot at slower shutter speeds with far greater stability. For video creators, this would reduce reliance on gimbals or external stabilization tools in many situations, increasing flexibility in fast-moving production environments. Performance expectations for continuous shooting are equally ambitious. The Canon EOS R9 is rumored to achieve up to 30 frames per second using an electronic shutter, enabled by its stack sensor design and advanced processing power. This level of speed would make it highly effective for capturing fast-moving subjects in sports and wildlife photography. Improved buffer management is also expected, allowing for longer bursts before performance slows, which is critical for professional workflows where timing is everything. On the video side, the Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be a strong hybrid competitor. In addition to 4K 120 FPS recording, it is expected to support 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording and Canon Log 3 profiles. These features are essential for professional video workflows, especially for color grading and cinematic production. Full-size HDMI output is also expected, enabling external recording setups for higher quality output. Improved thermal management is another rumored upgrade, designed to prevent overheating during extended recording sessions and ensure consistent performance. In the end, the Canon EOS R9 is more than just another incremental upgrade. It represents a possible shift in Canon's APS-C strategy toward more powerful, professional-focused hybrid imaging tools. Whether it fully delivers on the expectations created by these leaks remains to be seen, but the level of anticipation clearly shows how strong the demand has become for high-performance APS-C systems.